Pearls of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Abu Masud Al Ansari, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "He who guides towards something good will have reward equal to one who does it." Sahih Muslim, Volume 3, Book on Government, Chapter 791, Hadith number 4665. Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "Allah looks not at your figures, nor at your possessions, but He looks at your hearts and deeds." Sahih Muslim, Volume 4, Book of Virtues and Good Manners, Chapter 1060, Hadith number 6221.